Hey there, French learners! Are you ready to find out how much French you already know? We've got something amazing for you. A free mini French test available right now on our website. Here's how it works. It's super easy. First, head over to simplefrenchwithhems.com/test yourself. That's right, just click the link in the description or type it into your browser. Voila! You're ready to begin. Once you're there, prepare yourself. Click on the Start Below button. The test will start itself. The questions are designed to be fun, quick, and perfect for all levels, whether you're just starting out or already on your way to mastering French. Answer questions about vocabulary, grammar, and even common phrases. Don't worry, it's not about perfection. It's about discovering what you already know and what you can improve. At the end of the test, you'll get instant feedback and a score. And the best part? It's completely free. No strings attached. Just a quick, fun way to test yourself and start your French journey with confidence. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link below or visit simplefrenchwithhems.com/test yourself today.